This time the brief was we shifted the positioning from toughness to imposing toughness. We briefed the agency for the fact that we need to show Star City and the new color that we're introducing for the season as something that is related to toughness and also brings in the element of Diwali and the festivity into this, which is so much a part of our culture during this time of the year. The whole script is about how people's hopes come alive when they see MSD, and I think that's what he's known for. And with Sakshi coming in, I think it added a huge amount of relevance and credibility. So it was a very challenging brief to marry toughness with festivity, but I think we have done a reasonably good job.
The idea was to bring out toughness of Star City, the bike, in a festive context. So, and we had Dhoni and his wife for the first time, so which was a cherry on the cake. So we came up with this whole idea about a particular situation where the Ram Leela and the Ravan falls down. Dhoni and his band of merry men come along, get some ropes handy, tie them up, and get the Ravan on top. That was to demonstrate the strength of the bike, the power of the bike.
Something we haven't done before, the kind of shoot or the kind of setting for that matter, because it's a mixture of, like I said, reality and a bit of surrealism, creating a new atmosphere. I really like the idea of the script, the whole idea of the imposing toughness and Ravan, the mixture of mythology and style at the same time.
It's supposed to be imposing toughness, so the Ravan is big and it's imposing and it's swaying in the
The
wind.
shots are also designed to exaggerate that.
And then the bike stands for toughness because it's pulling the Ravan back on its feet, and so that's the basic concept of the ad.
Even the ad's going to be pretty cool in terms of the way it's going to flow.
Mahi is having an emotional attachment with TVS. He is with TVS since he started playing for country. During World Cup, Siddharth called me and he floated that idea that we are thinking to do some traditional things. So that time I was not sure that it will happen or not, but somehow I like Siddharth's idea, and I went to Mahi, I asked him, and he was also positive. And after that, during IPL, after IPL, we decided to launch Sakshi because Mahi always felt that TVS is his family.